I don't know about you, but if you guys have a nose strip, I specifically like the ones from Intake. They're the only ones that actually work and stick on your nose. But the magnets are so powerful that they literally come off unless you actually introduce these right here. These are Endura Pro alcohol cleansing prep pads. They come in little 2-packs like this. And if you open this up, right, there's actually more than 2 in here, but they come side by side. There's 100 pads, so you essentially get, over 90-day supply. But it'll look like this, and then these pads you just rip open, and you want to make sure you actually clean your nose. If you have any kind of moisture or like any kind of lubricant, lotion, skincare on your nose, the magnets are so strong in the Intake bullnose that it's literally going to come off. So you need to make sure that you actually prep properly, and having these right here are a game changer.